This question comes from Max, who asks, what if all stars in the universe exploded at once?
Max, buckle up, because this is about to get astronomically chaotic. Imagine every single point of light in the night sky gone in a supernova flash.
That's not a shooting star wish come true. That's a cosmic fireworks show, with a side of total annihilation.
First, let's talk scale. Our Milky Way alone has over 100 billion stars, and there are roughly 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Multiply that by the average energy of a supernova, which can release around 10 to the 44th joules. Max, we're talking energy levels that make nuclear bombs look like party poppers. Every planet, moon, and asteroid would be bathed in radiation, the likes of which we can't even imagine. The nearest stars to us, like Proxima Centauri, are about 4 light-years away. That may sound far, but in cosmic terms, it's basically next door.
If even a few exploded, the gamma rays could fry our atmosphere in seconds. Now a universe-wide starplosion? Max, your local weather forecast would just be instant extinction, mostly sunny.
Let's talk light and heat. Each exploding star would emit a burst of energy brighter than an entire galaxy.
Multiply that by trillions. The night sky wouldn't just be bright, it would be blinding.
We wouldn't just lose the comforting darkness of night. The cosmos would be a searing plasma ocean stretching in every direction. Sunglasses? Useless. SPF? Forget about it.
What about gravity? Stars hold galaxies together, and with all of them suddenly gone, gravitational balance would collapse. Planets would be flung into space, solar systems disintegrating, galaxies tearing apart like cosmic tissue paper.
Max, your orbit around the sun might be the least of your problems. If the sun itself explodes, Earth isn't just in trouble, it's vaporized. And don't forget radiation. Supernovae produce cosmic rays traveling near light speed. The combined effect of all stars exploding would create a wave of high-energy particles washing over the universe. Any surviving life forms? Incinerated. Any hope for survival? Well, Max, maybe deep inside black holes, but even that's a long shot. Atmospheric effects on Earth would be dramatic. If we're lucky and somehow only nearby stars reach us, our air would be superheated, the oceans might boil, and auroras would light up every sky. Unfortunately, Max, lucky is relative when the universe is basically setting off trillions of fireworks simultaneously. Earth wouldn't last long enough to see the light show. One interesting side effect: heavy elements. Supernovae produce elements heavier than iron. If every star exploded at once, the universe would suddenly be a cosmic junkyard of raw materials. Gold, uranium, platinum, all floating freely in space. Max, imagine trying to mine that. If only we survived the gamma-ray blast. The universe's expansion might even accelerate locally. Without stars to hold galaxies together, the fabric of space could stretch more freely. Galaxies might drift apart faster than light could travel between them. Max, if you were hoping to visit a distant galaxy someday, that plan just went out the window, along with everything else.
So, in conclusion, Max, if all stars exploded at once, the result would be total cosmic annihilation. Every planet, moon, and asteroid obliterated.
Gravitational structures collapsing, radiation everywhere. The universe would go from a calm, starry night to an instant supernova soup. P.S. Max, maybe it's safer to stick to flashlights and lightning-themed video games. Real-world plasma disasters are best left to comic books and Hollywood, unless you're planning a very dramatic vacation. P.S. Max, maybe it's safer to stick to imagining fireworks in your backyard rather than universal star explosions. Less risk of extinction, more marshmallows.